We're here at CES. We're showing the newly announced Vixia Mini X. It's a new personal camcorder video being able to use for blogger type situations. You can see it's got a built-in stand. It's a 15mm wide-angle lens, built-in stereo microphone that are 2.5 times larger than the Vixia Mini. Be able to pick up great dynamic range of audio. On the side, we have got a full input, so we can run a separate microphone input. We can have a headphone jack to be able to monitor the audio back, but then we can also have a dial to adjust the audio to make sure that our audio levels are good. It has a flip rotate screen. This camera is going to be great for the blogger that wants to be able to run their own images. As you can see, it's a 15mm wide fish angle lens, and just at the touch of the screen, I can crop in to give us a good close-up view of whatever the subject is that we're talking about. The screen is able to rotate so that we can shoot from various angles and be able to show the full surroundings of our full environment. All at the same time of capturing high quality audio because of the built-in microphone. The camera has built-in Wi-Fi, so I can actually stream the footage out to any of my tablet devices or my smartphone. And with the application, the app that's available on both Android as well as iOS platforms, I can control that camera from any remote location through the web. And that's the Vixia Mini X.
Sure. It's actually a small camcorder. This is actually an XA25, but it's actually that small little camcorder that's mounted on the bottom of it. It's a great camcorder because it's so portable, light, yet it doesn't suffer in terms of the quality compared to other professional camcorders. So if you want to see, this is the actual small one, and this is the big one, and it's a wide angle lens, and it has full HD video, full high quality audio, and a lot of musicians can use it to kind of pre-record themselves before a music video for pre-shoot, as well as different options to do that. A lot of movies are going to use this as a B or C camera where you can mount it to a car, mount it to anywhere else, and then kind of mount it to a camcorder as well, so you kind of have that backup footage. It's a really great camera to use in terms of portability. And it has Wi-Fi, so you can actually live stream it from a tablet and kind of control that movement as well.
I set the reflectors on both my seat, the scale, but I think it does a beautiful job, especially in JPEG. It does a terrific job, especially if you pay attention to the picture style.
Carry it, I guess fly it, and really record high definition video from the air while still being mounted. A lot of camcorders would be too heavy to do that, but this is extremely light that it really virtually would not weigh this helicopter down, and has a lot of functionality to it. And also the movement of the helicopter itself would not affect the Vixia Mini X and how it shoots, because of the fact that the tracking system in the camcorder is actually really great, and also the audio quality is superb that it doesn't really fall in comparison to kind of like studio recorded sound.
Okay, we're going to show you the new HFR 50, 52, and 500 Vixia personal camcorders. They record in HD, and they have the new 57 times advanced zoom. So it gives us a long reach to be able to reach out and grab our subject. The differences between the models, the 500 does not have Wi-Fi built into it, but it has a straight SD memory card slot, so we're able to capture that image. When we step up to the HFR 52, we actually have added now an SD memory card slot as well as 8 GB of memory. Price point here is $299 on the 500, then we jump up to $399 when we include that memory. The next model up is $449, and it has 32 GB of internal memory. So new to the lineup this year is the 57 times advanced zoom, and then the new and improved baby mode, where now actually we can track three different children as they grow up in advance and be able to keep those images together. And that's the Vixia HFR series.
Yes, through an app that we have on your smartphone or tablet. Also, you could connect to your computer. So this one is the 16. No interpreter.